Hi, good evening all. Today I am going to discuss about recovery manager RMAN. So RMAN is nothing but a recovery manager. R for recovery, MAN man for manager, recovery manager. So it is a inbuilt inbuilt utility provided by Oracle database software itself. So in real time we can give the preference 80% of the cases. 80% will use RMAN for backup and recovery. For backup and recovery. What about the data pump? The remaining 20% will goes to data pump using EXPDP for backup and for IMPDP for recovery or restore. We can call it as a restore. So to perform any online backup, to perform online backup, archive log in database we have already covered the archive log mode, right? So archive log mode should be enabled. Archive log mode should be enabled to take RMAN backup. To take the backup using RMAN. To take backup using RMAN. So already know that how to check the archive log list. How to verify? Verify archive log mode. It is very simple. Command is archive space log space list. Once you connect it to the database, like already you know dot space var env. After dot space var env, you can give the Oracle database name. Once database name is connected, just you need to give SQL plus sysdba. After that, you need to type the command in SQL prompt archive space log space list. This will show whether archive log mode enabled or not. So once archive log mode is completed, now you are good to perform the RMAN backup. So we are good to go for RMAN backup. So to take the RMAN backup, first important thing is archive log mode should be enabled to perform RMAN backup. RMAN backup archive log mode should be enabled. Next, we need to have sufficient free space in any of the disk which is meant for taking backup of database, like disk in the sense here that is called mount point. In Linux terms we can call it as a mount point. While talking in Windows we can call it as a disk. Okay, so what is the simple command to connect to the RMAN backup? Just remember this. To connect to the database, to connect to the database, to connect to the database or its utilities, you must and should export environment variables. What are the environment variables? Already you know that Oracle base and Oracle home and Oracle SID. Oracle SID in this is database name. Oracle SID in this is database name. You need to export these variables to connect to the database and its utility. You need to must and should have this environment variables. How to use in simple dot space or a env and enter the DB name. It will ask for the DB name, right? Then just enter the. After this, you can verify with env grep capital data or a capital ORA. So it will show all three results. It will show all three results: Oracle base, Oracle home, and Oracle SID. So you will get all the results like ORCL. If the database name is ORCL, then user1 app Oracle product version numbers 12.2.0 maybe and DB home underscore 1. So this is home. Oracle base is user1 app Oracle. So like this you have to verify. This is about exporting environment variables. Once this is confirmed, then all OS utilities like OS level commands related to database, OS level commands related to DB like SQL plus sysassys DBA and EXPDP and IMPDP and RMAN target connect. Ikkada, I mean here the slash will be read. You need to pronounce like connect. But whereas in SQL plus you need to spell or pronounce slash as sys. Remember this difference. In SQL plus you need to spell like a SQL plus sys as sysdba, but in RMAN target connect. Okay. Now this is about theory. We will save this file and do the same steps. Now first verify the database status. ps-f pipecrypt pmon database is running. Now exporting environment variables dot space or a env orcl database. Next env grep or a it has Oracle SID, Oracle base, Oracle home. Okay. So here the database is a 12.2.0 version. Irrespective of the version, commands are all same. Either you are using 19C version or 11G version or 12C version, the commands will work as same as required. Okay. Now SQL plus sysassysdba will work here. Similarly, EXPDP also will work here, and IMPDP also will work here. Now RMAN target connected to the target database ORCL. Now to show the features of all available features of RMAN utility, just you can give existing configuration list. Configuration list means parameters. What are the parameter settings for the recovery manager? That will give show all semicolon. Show all semicolon enter. So these are the RMAN configuration parameter for the database. Here it is clearly given RMAN configuration parameters for the database with the DB unique name ORCL or retention policy, control file backup optimization, configure default device type disk, configure control auto backup. So these are all the options. Okay. In next classes I will explain clearly about all these options. But now the simple concept is to take the backup of database, right? First, before taking the backup, is there any backup available in the database? How you can check? That means verify the existing backups. Verify existing backups. How to check this command? List backup of database summary. It has one backup. Similarly, list backup of archive log. All maybe, yeah, list backup of archive log all. So two commands will work here properly. The first command is list backup of database summary. It will give the full backup is available. And second command is list backup of archive log all. All these are available. Okay. So to take the latest backup, keep it as it is everything. Okay. No need to delete the existing backup. Just we will cross check the existing backup available or not. So this is the date performed 11th July. Okay. Now we will trigger the backup database plus archive log. Simple backup database plus archive log. Database must be copied completely along with archive logs, then only you can restore the backup to up to date. Okay. Backup database plus archive log all. Simple command is backup database plus archive log up to archive log. Enter. It will start the backup. The command is very simple, backup database plus archive log. But in real time, you need to play some important trick to take the backup in efficient way. Okay, that is very important regarding the backup. The command is same, but you need to take the backup in a particular specified path. It shows finished backup. Now the backup is successfully completed. It is finished along with control file backup, SP file, control file, and archive logs, and also data files. Input data file, input data file, input data file. All the data files are copied in the backup set, and archive logs also copied. Now you can give the check, verify whether the backup has been successfully available or not. List backup of database summary. So it has the latest backup 13th July. So where the tag name is tag 2026, tag year, month, date, exactly time 1955 31, 1955 31. Now you can check list backup of archive log all. So it is, so you can check the completion of the archive logs, the backup status, the simple commands to verify backups available or not. List of archive logs backup set 13th July 13th. So these are also available, the sequence backups. This is about 13 19. So all these are old backup archive logs old. Okay, this is very simple process how to take a backup of database. Okay, yesterday also we did the same thing, but completely second time also we performed with the same step. Now according to our requirement, as a pre-check, first you need to check the space, free space availability. The available free space is still 39 GB. Okay, still 30. 39 GB is available. I can go proceed to take the backup until it can be utilized or reached to 80 percentage. So up to that there is no problem for the server. It can handle the backup pieces easily. It can handle the backup pieces easily. So along with the existing backup, already you have seen SP file is already there. Okay, SP file backup is already there. So for safe side, along with SP file, we need to take a backup of P file. So how to check the location, backup location? Again, connect to the RMAN target, connect, RMAN target, connect. Just to type the command list backup of database, not the summary, list backup of database. So it has the particular, these are the files which are backed up. System tablespace, ISACs, undo users. These are the data files which are backed up, and the location is U01 archives ORCL backup set for the archive logs, and for the list of backup sets. These are the list of backup sets. U01 archives ORCL backup set. Up to here we can copy. Okay. Exit, CD, enter. So here we have list of the backup pieces. List of the backup pieces. One folder I will back. Here 13 and 17. One folder again I will back. Yeah. So archive log backup is there. Backup set is there. And auto backup is there. So now I will go for backup set. CD backup set. Now the date is latest date. This one. So how you can check this one without going to RMAN? So without going to RMAN also you can verify with help of show parameter reco or recovery. Show parameter recovery. You can get the location easily. CD, enter. So here the backups are saved. Oracle database, database name Oracle ORCL. Now the list, backup set, check today date 13. Now you can list the files. Three files are there. If you want to verify with the sizes, LSF and LRTH, 236 MB, 1.1 GB, 26 kilobytes. So in this location, you need to take the P file backup. Sys DBA, show parameter P file, show parameter P file. So it's already SP file is there. That's why what you can do, create P file, create P file. What is the location you need to give? DB name you have to give DB underscore ORCL dot, or else you can take the date 13th July dot vara from SP file. It is created. Now you can check the file is created. Once this file is created, then you are good. You can delete the database and recover the database as well. You can delete the database and recover the database as well. Now how you can restore the database with the help of existing backup? Yeah, let us see. So now the topic is how to restore a database from existing backup. So let me split the recording here.